Hey guys, Steve here from SP2 Stroke and Speedcell Australia. What we're doing is we're getting the bike hopefully ready for the track tomorrow. She's running really rough, so I'm hoping that she just needs the cobwebs to be blown out. But what we're talking about today are batteries. Now, this is running a Tiger tail with a cradle. So I've just had the cradle re-welded because the arm snapped, so thanks Tommy for that. But as you can see, standard lead acid battery really wedged in there, so it's a good fit for the Tiger, but it weighs a ton. So what we're going to do is just take it out. Bear with me. Alright, so Yuasa, Speedcell. Big difference. Now Yuasa is a solid battery for lead acid. It just weighs a ton. The Speedcell I've had since I think 2001 or 2000. It's been sitting in my SP2. This is not the Legacy series which is sold now. This is the earlier version. Now it's been sitting in my VTR SP2 for 8-9 years and I've never had an issue. So what we're going to do now is look at the original setup. Now the RVF have the connection points. They're very short, as you can see. It's about 15 centimeters for both positive and for negative. So negative, positive. Now what I've done is to transition to the Speedcell, I put in the quick release harness. Now immediately you can see that it would have been pretty tight to get those 2 points onto the battery and tucked away. Now it gives us an extra 20-30 centimeters of space to play with, which is what we need. Now, quick release harness, one of the best inventions ever. So, well done guys. You'll never need a screwdriver again. All you do is secure the points with the bolts provided. I am no Steven Spielberg, by the way. And then just tape it up. I'll give you some quick, some heat shrink wrap to put around it, but I've just used tape. Now what we'll do is we'll just put the battery in, bear with me. Hopefully you can see from up here. Cool. So, quick release. This is one of the best inventions ever guys. As I said before, you'll love it. So what we do is we just in, out, so simple. So that's now in. I'll just put it in the harness for now. I'll tidy it up later on. This is just a demonstration on practicality and how it works. Okay, so we're now sitting up there, ready to almost go. Let's just put that in there. Oh wait, so it's tiny. Ignore the Allen key. I'll put some rubber in there later. But it's very light. The Legacy series come in at 856 grams, which are tiny as opposed to this, which is about 1.5, 1.6 kilos. Now, again, it's a 9-year-old battery. Let's see if we have power. Instant power. Let's go. Seriously guys, so if you are interested in a Speedcell, give me a buzz. Reach out at SP2 Stroke, Motorcycle Parts and Imports, SP2 Stroke or Speedcell Australia. Yeah, and happy riding. Cheers, popes.